What's up, guys? Brendan from Market Makers with your Bitcoin weekend dump video. Is Bitcoin dumping? It's shaping up that way, literally. Before I get into that, why Market Makers? Yes, we changed our name. You may have noticed. We were Crypto Cauldron. Well, I've been trading for 20 years, guys, and I trade it in all the financial markets. I'm bringing in Forex and commodities to our Discord trading group specifically. And it's two areas I really enjoy trading, and more specifically in metals. So gold, silver, precious metals. We'll be doing trading. We'll be doing TA. Guys, our Discord is different than what's out there on the marketplace. We post all of our TA. We are hands-on. We are there to answer your questions. We don't post TA and disappear. We post all of our trades. The trades that we advise you to take are trades that we take ourselves. We post our wins and losses. If you're not making money in your Discord group, they may not have good TA. Look at other options out there. Come give us a try. No risk. Pay for the first month. If you don't like it, full refund. We haven't had anybody ask for a refund. But I'll make a proper introduction video to tell you what we offer. But in the meantime, let's get into Bitcoin. I am broadcasting outside in beautiful Florida. I came out here earlier today to make a video, and it was so hot. It was ungodly. I couldn't make a video. So if you see any hummingbirds flying by, I have a hummingbird garden over here, things like that, it just adds to the ambiance of witnessing Bitcoin's crash that we've been talking about for weeks on this channel. Weeks, guys. So let's look at Bitcoin, guys. I primarily trade in the 1 hour time frame. So this is what you're looking at here. Because I'm a trend trader, a pattern trader. Patterns are very strong in 1 hour. They're not that strong in 15-minute and 30-minute. Okay, so 1 hour is a good judge. I like 4 hours well, but primarily in 1 hour. What is Bitcoin doing? Why am I showing you this volume indicator? So green means there's volume to hold the price, and it fades. You can see the color scheme. Red means it essentially acts as resistance, basically like a Bollinger Band, okay? The way the band looks. Price is doing this. I wanted you to see this. It's just waving. It's waving down. People say, when's Bitcoin crashing? It is crashing, but it's waving, right? Why is it waving? Because you're below price. You get like a whale needle or something like that, and you come back down, and you go back up, and you come back down. So this is a very boring market and bad market for people that like to hodl, because this is a tumultuous, curvy market, and people like to hodl. This is not a market for you, but we will find a bottom for you, my friends, because there's plenty of us that want to buy coins at premium discounts. That's like a big thing in our group. The reason that you see us waving down, I want to show you this. This is pattern trading and in combination and confluence with volume. Why is this important? Bitcoin's making dissension patterns. That's how you can judge where Bitcoin's going. That's how you can judge the market trend. You have to understand pattern trading. I've been trading in patterns for 20 years, guys. So check this out. So last night, posted this trade hours before it developed, right? As it was developing. Bitcoin, double top, sell off. What happens here? Bitcoin sells off, makes a bottom, comes up in an ascending wedge, typical Bitcoin fashion, and then falls because there's no volume. In a dead volume zone, makes another bottom. So what happens when you double bottom? Boom, you shoot up, right? Pattern completion of a double bottom. This is all throughout this trend, guys. I don't want to spend 10 minutes doing this. I'll just show you a few. This is, keep in mind the time frame here. Look, another double top, sell off. Another double top, sell off. Head and shoulders, sell off. So double top. I mean, this is over and over again, guys. So you're saying, Brendan, why is it making so many dissension patterns? Again, it's tied to the volume, guys, because when you're in this red area, you don't have the volume. This is resistance. So there's no buyers in the market is the bigger picture way to look at it. So when you get these fake pumps, these whale needles, the price won't hold. So the price descends, and then it gets pumped up a little again because of the dissension. Then it falls down, then it gets pumped up, and then makes a head and shoulders, and then you get destroyed, right? If you can spot the patterns, you can make the trades. If you understand how volume marries into that, it's a key element in trading. There's no buyers in the market for multiple reasons. Some of it's going to be market sentiment. Some of it's because the 200K Bitcoin videos finally are dying down, and some of these same YouTubers are finally making bear market videos. We've been in a bear market, textbook bear market, since April 17th, guys. Went over this before. 65K Bitcoin, a little bit before that, April 17th, crashes 65 to 47K. Claw back up. May 12th, you descend from 57 to the trend we're in now, where all throughout May, we crashed from the high high 30s, low 40s, all the way down to 30, over and over again on a weekly basis. That's the market we've been in, and we're finally descending. So you should rejoice. Bulls and bears should rejoice because A, we're getting premium discounts on premium projects very, very soon. That is very key to a market recovery. You got to have that organic market recovery. That's my firm belief. And why am I not making videos on other alts right now? Because it's all tied to Bitcoin, guys. Let me show you. I mean, yes, you can say this project doesn't descend as much as this project when Bitcoin dips. I get all that. I understand that. Here's Engine Coin. I short them left and right. I probably get prank calls from owners of Engine Coin because of how much I short them. I think 95% of my trades are in Engine Coin. Look, Engine made E&J made a double top last night. I posted this trade. I think I made 65 or 38%, something like that. I did multiple trades on it. So total, I think I made 65% on Engine Coin. This is just, these patterns are very easy to trade when you're in the right room. Here you made another double top and descend, double top, descend, double top, descend. I mean, these are over and over again. Double top, descend, double top, descend, fall down again. It's just, guys, these are all over the place. My little Amazon smiley there. Ethereum, right? The Bitcoin killer. Ethereum's not making patterns, is it? Oh, Ethereum's making patterns too, guys. Head and shoulders, descend. Here's staircase pattern, come down to the bottom. Look, head and shoulders, descend. Guys, this is over and over again. You need to understand patterns when you're pattern trading because this will make you money, right? So once the market settles, once this is done, then we will start trading in these other markets. I'll start showing you these videos for the altcoins, their support resistance levels, things like that. But for right now, Bitcoin has to get to where it's going, find its destination, and then we do the TA on when to buy, where to buy, if it's ascending well, if it's holding price well, if it could fall further. These things don't fall in exact conjunction with Bitcoin, so it's something to always keep in mind. But Bitcoin is the king. It is almost 50% of the market. It fluctuates. I understand. I don't need people messaging me. It fluctuates 38% to 50%, whatever. Bitcoin dominance. The important thing to know is 50% is owned by whales. So you always have that possibility. When you have a shape form, the head and shoulders pattern, they can just say, nope, sorry, not doing that. And that definitely happens, guys. So keep in mind, what are my predictions for this weekend? Well, let me show you over here on my support levels from Gann. Right now, we just fell below the 31.6 in the 1 hour time frame, right? So that's where we're at. Look, if we come back up, it depends. I'm looking at the Sean Day. We're getting momentum to come back up. But if we come back up, you're going to see Bitcoin make shapes. This is all it's doing, right? It's just double. Here's your double bottom, comes up. If it does manage to come back up, it might do something like this. And literally, you just made another double top. And if you break that neckline again, you're going down to the next level or somewhere in between where it finds support. Judging by the volume indicator, it would find support somewhere around this level, right? So these are all things you have to watch. What do I actually think we'll get to this weekend? I think we're going to get to the high 20s. We're at 31.6. I could easily see us getting to the 29.8, maybe the next level down below that. Look, the thing to take from this is the way that we're descending is this legging down pattern, right? Where we're just constantly legging down. You can see it's almost like a slide, like at a water park, right? We're constantly legging down. But at some point, we've tested this level so many times, guys, 32.5 down to 30,000. At some point, I do believe there's just going to be a break. And this is just a theory. But in technical analysis, when you test the same levels over and over again, you keep hitting these same levels, at some point you just start falling through them, right? And you just go like that. And that could happen. I don't know where that would happen at, but that could easily happen. Nobody can tell you the exact destination of where that would take you. But again, my price prediction since May has been 20 to 25K Bitcoin. I didn't pull that out of the sky. It is because it is pattern completion of the fall from the pennant that we've been trading in for these months, okay? We can kill the bear cycle, get to the bull cycle, grow the market back up, and we can all make money long term, which is the goal, right? So, guys, if you like this information, this content, like the video, send the video out into the YouTubeverse, send it to your friends in the Twitterverse. Guys, check out our Discord. I think you will love our Discord. It is the place to be. We don't want your money there. We keep the prices low. We want the whales' money. We can teach you the blueprint, the financial freedom, financial success. Guys, enjoy the weekend. Have a great one with your family. Watch Bitcoin. I'll be posting more updates. Talk to you all soon.